Begin with a slow breath and imagine drawing a gentle circle around yourself. A circle that represents what you can influence today. Inside this circle are small, meaningful things. Your breath, your posture, the way you speak to yourself, the next tiny action you choose. Outside the circle are things you can't control. World events, other people's choices, the pace of change. You don't have to carry those right now. Take a moment to picture placing those external worries just outside your circle, not rejecting them, simply acknowledging that they don't belong on your shoulders. Now bring your attention back inside the circle. Notice one thing you can do today that supports your well-being. Something small, like taking a break, drinking water, stepping outside, or speaking kindly to yourself. Let that one action become an anchor, a reminder that even in uncertain times, you still have choices that matter. Take a steady breath and let that sense of agency settle gently into your body.